The FUE attracts me, follicular unit extraction, because as we know, each individual hair strand originates from its own follicle. Therefore, to harvest a follicle and relocate and transplant that follicle is logical. It's going to be the most precise and, as I understand, better healing. So I'm attracted to this new evolution of hair transplantation.
Today's patient, we performed a 2000 FUE graft procedure to help to repopulate his frontal forelock, pretty much where my hand is right now. Normally with cases like this, it requires between 2,500 and 3,000 grafts. But since this patient has had previous FUT procedures, that helped us get away with just using 2,000 grafts in his frontal area. So we brought him back. Obviously with FUE, we have to do the haircut, and we began doing the donor extractions. The tissue came out very easy. Often with patients with gray hair, we have to stain the area so we can see, but he had enough pigmented hair that we were able to get away with not staining it. Took about 2, maybe 2.5 hours to do the extraction part of the procedure, and we were able to get a good count. Multiples were available, so his average was around 2.1, 2.3 hairs per graft. So when all is said and done, it was in excess of 4,000 hairs. Then after the extraction, we began the graft placement. We used Lion implanter pins to do the graft placement, and that went great as well. He had very little popping of the grafts. They packed in very nicely together. And all told, it took about 3.5 hours to do the graft placement. It's now almost 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're wrapped up for the day. And we're getting ready to do the post-op instructions with the patient. And the expectation is he should be in that 95% graft survival rate that we shoot for with all patients.
This has been a procedure that I had questions about. Of course, my questions verbally were answered, but until you experience it, your questions are not ever fully answered. I was pleased. I had a thicker hairline and felt much better about my appearance, and it was good for one's soul.